What's happening? Thanks for stopping by. If you're here today, you probably have a problem with your Honda CRV 2017 on up through 2021 at least. And this particular car is my wife's. It's a super cool, it's a luxury edition. Pretty nice car for us. And what happened was she called me and said the car will not start. So we put a trickle charge on it overnight, figured it might be the battery, definitely was. Changed out the battery today. And if you've done that or just had a dead battery and you got in your car, somebody got you jumped or you swapped the battery and you're like, hooray, here we go. And then you go to turn it on and you hit the nice button and everything's great because it's starting. That's super cool. And you're getting all excited, and then you see a TPM monitor problem. And then you're like, okay, that's fine, I've seen that before. And then you're like, wait, there's a brake system problem? There's two problems, what's that problem? And now that's flash, which is TPM. Now there's a brake hold system problem. And this keeps rotating through. The next thing you're gonna see is, I think it's something on hill descent. Nope, stability. It just keeps going, then it's hill descent, and you start thinking, what the crap? And we got this collision warning over here. You're like, it's crazy. Don't panic. The solution is super simple. There's another one, road departure mitigation system. It just keeps going. All you gotta do though is put your seatbelt on for safety. And then we're gonna back on out of here. Okay, check this out. So we're driving, and we're driving, and then you just hit the brakes. That's all you did. And look, it's gone. Now, I don't know what you had your gauge set to. That's probably gonna reset because, well, car reset, but all the problems are gone. And to show you, just to prove it, we're gonna pull over here, we're gonna park the car, we're gonna turn it off, and we're gonna pretend we're even gonna open the door like we got out and we walked away, and then we came back, and we're hoping that that's not a problem. Brake, from the brake, start the engine. And looky. Now, you've got to turn things back on, like that road mitigation, if you want that, is back on now. But all fixed, all done. Problems are solved. Don't have to take it to the dealer. You don't have to panic. Everything's all good. That's it. Listen, have yourself a great rest day. Thanks for stopping by for the solution. Check out some of the other videos. You never know, maybe you'll like it. It's Uncle Jake. On behalf of Motors and Mischief, I take you out with the fist bump of friendship. Whoop-ow!